though.
My feet smell so bad, dog.
On camera. Dude, you got this.
Oh, let's go!
This is the hardest part.
Ah, nice. Okay.
All right, get over here so we can do the intro.
What? I need to get up.
Alright, so what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be making a bunch of these bags. We already have 2 of them sort of done. One still needs the strap, but this one is completely done. This is the final product, exactly what it's going to look like. And yeah, let me walk you through what we're going to be doing, like the roadmap, before we jump into it, so it makes a little bit of sense as we show you the other shots of it actually being done. So this is made from these, which are Carhartt not whip, just regular Carhartt work pants. We're going to be upcycling them. That's kind of like a hot word, upcycling, a buzzword, I think. But yeah, you can see the pocket right here, and then that goes on the front over there. We're going to be replacing the patch with the facade patch right here. So you can see it's inspired by that. I'm a big Carhartt fan, so no brainer for me. So we're going to chop up those. Each pair of pants makes 2 shoulder bags, so pretty efficient in our upcycling of the pant, I feel. But we got that going on, and then come over here so I can walk you through our little template. That was, I think, the hardest part to do. You might have to like refocus too. I don't hear you refocusing. It's probably all blurry.
No, it was good. It was good.
All right, it doesn't have to be like a click. You can just like.
I know.
All right. Well, look at this. This is what you.
Oh.
Like show what I'm talking about.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be super close like that, and you're out of focus. Do you know how this works? Just a light press. Look.
Oh, you hold it. Okay.
All right, well, get it so you can like, so it's not just like disorienting to look at and focus. All right, so here's the template. This is like the hardest thing to do in my opinion, even though all the sewing's a big pain. But yeah, this is what we have to follow to make it. So we got like the measurements for everything. You can see here's the front pocket, 8.5 by 9. We have the zipper, which is just like a regular zipper, and then it connects to 2 pieces of fabric. Got the measurements for that. This is the strap that wraps all the way around the outside, which is like the depth of the bag. And then we also have these little bad boys, which are, I keep referring to them as the trapezoids, but this is just what the actual strap connects to the bag using. So we have this trapezoid, and then the strap slides inside, and then we sew it down. So also had to come up with these, and that's what it's going to be. If you want to like show our fabric and like everything we got going on right now, we got a lot of it cut already. This is like the long strap. These are for the zippers. Our little trapezoids under here. This is what the pocket looks like. Cutting it out, we're gonna remove that and then put the facade patch there though. And then everything else also needs to be given this lining. So this goes on the inside, and then there's a layer of like, we'll have the Carhartt pant, and then this is on the inside lining makes sense. And then we have this stuff down here, which is called stabilizer, which gives it its structure, because otherwise it'd be really flimsy. We want to have the like bag look, so we have to put this layer between the lining and the Carhartt pant, and then you get the final result of something like that. And you get the lining going on. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to show shots and stuff throughout the process, which is going to be pretty long, but this is the end result, and we're going to make 4 more of these right now. So.
While I'm away, you know right now, but I'm so far. Can you hear me crying? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? You know right now, so far. You know right now, so far. Can you hear me crying? Can you hold down? You know right now, so hard. This long distance is killing me. While I'm away, you know right now, but I'm so far. Can you hear me crying? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? No right now, sober. No right now, sober. Can you hear me crying? Can you hold down? No right now. This long distance is killing me. While I'm away, you know right now, but I'm sober. Can you hear me crying? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me crying? Can you hold down? You know right now, this long distance is killing me. Right now, day. Can you hear me crying? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Right now, can you hear me crying? Can you hold down? Right now, this long distance is killing me. While I'm away, right now, can you hear me crying? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Right now, can you hear me crying? Can you hold down? Right now, this long distance is killing me. While I'm away, right now,
All right, Jacob, day 2, how are we feeling?
Feeling like I'm running the sweatshop a little hard.
But cool development. We got Mir Fontaine
You know, we do have a little bit of inspo.
in our work shirt. I don't know if it's focusing that great. So that's dope. Love his
Mir
music,
Fontaine
so that's
is the
cool to see.
man.
But where are we at? Day 2. After the cameras went off, did a little more sewing. So we got one of these left to put together. This is what it looks like inside out. This is how you put it together. We got the like around the bag part going on. We got the zipper on the top. There's obviously the front panel. And then the last part of this process is to sew that back panel on like that. And then you flip it inside out through the zipper. And then you get it looking like this. So that's what I'm doing. Jacob over here is working on what you call bias, which is this border, this black border that goes around. Helps hide the thread, or like these loose threads that you'll see. So it is a pain, so thank you to him. We appreciate his work. And yeah, after we finish that, all we have left to do are the straps. So, almost done. All right, so after countless hours, I honestly lost track, but on to day 2, we finally finished up. We got all 6 done. You can see right here, we got 5. 1 is completely done. Still gotta do the straps on other ones, but I'm waiting on some more buckles, so those are gonna have to wait. And the straps honestly take like 5 minutes for each one, so super easy. And I hope you guys like these. Like I said, countless hours going into these, and we're only gonna charge $50, so I hope you guys appreciate that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. These are the 6 shoulder bags. So thank you for watching.